This morning we're at the Hughes residence. We're talking about the new addition we've added to their home. Where I'm standing was their existing kitchen. In order to have an island and some working space, we've decided to add an addition to the side of their home. Everywhere I'm standing, from right to left, is new. It took a little bit of ingenuity not to have a drop beam, but we have this flush beam above. This tiled area used to be their existing laundry room. We're going to move these services downstairs. We've already moved the mechanical and plumbing lines to help out with this washer and dryer. The washer and dryer are now going to be pushed against this wall, and the clients who have 3 dogs are going to put in a custom dog grooming wash station. Over here, in order to support the new addition, we've added this beam. As you can see below, we've had to cut the foundation in order to do so. We're here at the Hughes residence for reveal day, and I'm going to walk you through the new design. Right here, this little tiny stretch used to be an oven. Over here, we've expanded it down to have a coffee station, built-in microwave, and refrigerator. Over here, we brought this window up and out in order to have a beautiful sink underneath of it and give them this long stretch of countertop. I'm currently standing in the new expansion. Behind me, you can see we've allowed access to the deck, letting lots of natural light in. By moving the stove to an exterior wall, we are able to let them have a gas range and hood fan. With this being my client's forever home, we've had strong attention to detail, including spice rack pullouts and large pots and pans drawers. This beautiful island was the reason for the expansion. In the previous layout, the clients had no area for bar or stool seating. I was able to give them access to large, oversized bar stools for comfort at this gorgeous island. The laundry room from upstairs moved downstairs. We were able to have a side-by-side washer and dryer, as well as storage and a functional dog wash. We special ordered this custom stainless steel dog sink for this area.